Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to Ryson's Spray Booth. And in this video, I will talk about 6 mind-blowing facts about autobody and painting. So guys, I would like to thank you for giving me lots of love for my last video. And this video is also going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. And press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, when you buy a new car, there are many questions that are running through your head. And if you know the answer for all these questions, then you can make better decisions and sometimes save a lot of money. So many a times this first question is in everybody's mind, and that question is, do new cars needs to be waxed? Should you wax a new car or no? And the answer is yes guys, you can wax the new car. But you don't have to do color sanding and all. But you just have to apply the wax on top. This wax creates another layer on top of your paint guys, and it protects your paint well from bird droppings, from rain, from any liquid falling on your paint surface. This wax will protect your paint from all of this, and that is the reason why it is okay to wax your new car. Some showrooms wax the cars even if you don't tell them, so that when you go to buy the car, it looks nice and shiny, and it will impress you people and will make you buy that car. But see that you don't color sand and buff a new car. Moving on to the next one. And the second one is guys, do red cars really cost more to insure? When you are buying a new car guys, and if you select the red color, one model of the car comes in many shades of colors. You guys know that already. And if you select the red color from there, then will it cost you more to insure that car? Well guys, let me tell you that insurance doesn't depend on what type of color you choose. But guys, there is a catch. If the car costs more, then obviously your insurance cost will also increase. What I mean by that is some cars have single stage paint on them, some cars have base coat clear coat system on them, and some cars have metallic paints on them. Now this base coat clear coat system or the metallic paints are expensive paints guys, and single stage paint system is slightly on the cheaper side. They give good protection to your vehicle, but the look is different. So if you choose a paint which has metallics in them, which has base coat clear coat system on it, then obviously the price of your car can go high. And when the price of your car goes high, then guys, the insurance will be on that amount, which will also be high. So if you look at it like this, the insurance can go high. I remember guys, some Yamaha bikes costed more because they have metallic paint on them, and because of which the insurance premium also went a little bit higher. So with that, let's move on to the next one. And the next one is guys, what paint colors have best resale value? Yes guys. Now many people buy a car and they want to sell it after that, because they are into buying and selling cars industry, or they buy a second-hand car and they want to get rid of it after driving it for a while. In this type of cases guys, what are the colors which are best for resale value? Do let me know in the comment section below before you go ahead in this video. Pause the video and comment below first, and let's see if you get it right. Yes guys, the white color, the black color, the silver color and the gray color. These are all fast moving colors guys, and most of the people prefer this type of colors. Many people don't like to drive car which has blue, red and vibrant colors on them. It becomes difficult for them to carry these colors. But white, black, silver and grey is very easy to carry, and many people go for these colors, and these colors also have good resale value. So if you want to buy a car and if you want to sell it after a while, then see that you choose from any of these 4 colors. Even when you are buying a new car, if you have planned to sell that car off after a few years, then see that you choose a color from these 4 colors. Because if you choose a color from these 4 colors, then guys, you will get a good resale value. It will help you to sell the car faster, and the paint colors are also cheap and you will get them very easily, if by chance if there is a dent on your car. So moving on to the next one guys, and the next one is the 4th one, is who comes up with these car paint colors? Who is the one who decides that this car will have these shades of paint? Guys, there are many people involved in designing a car, and like this there are automotive paint designers as well. Now these designers decide which paint color will suit the best on the design of the car, and according to that they will choose some shades which suit that design car the best. This you will come to know when you paint that car with some other color and it doesn't suit that car, because not all shades of paint suit all types of car because of the design they have. So these automotive designers decide which paint color should go on which car according to the design of that car. So I hope you guys now know who decides the paint of the car. Moving on to the next one, and the next one is, can I use dishwash or laundry soap to wash a car? Now before I answer this question guys, how many of you guys use detergent or dishwash soap to wash your car? Do let me know in the comment section below what you use to wash your car, because I know many people do this mistake. They use detergent or dishwash soap to wash their cars. This is a big no-no guys. These are very strong soaps and this will fade the paint on your car very fast, and it will even spoil the paint on your car. So never use dishwash soap or laundry detergent to wash your car. Always use shampoos, use car wash shampoo which is easily available in the market, but never use a dishwash soap or a laundry detergent to wash your car. Now when it comes to auto body and painting guys, we have to use dishwash soap to take out the grease, grime, the oils on the surface. Now this is only when we are restoring the car, because we want to acquire that clean surface, and to get rid of this grease, grime and oils on the surface we have to use this dishwash soap. But when it comes to regular washing of the car, it is not recommended at all guys, because this dishwash soap is so strong that it gets rid of oils, grease or grime on the surface, and it will fade your paint very fast. In short, we do use dishwash soap in auto body and painting, but when it comes to restoring. But when it comes to regular car wash, never use this detergent or dishwash soap guys. Now guys, very soon I am going to launch an app, and I have a question to ask you guys. How many of you guys think that there should be an app which has all the repair videos, auto body and painting videos in one place? Where for example, if you have problem with your car or with your bike, you go to that app, you type that problem, and then you see the video and you fix the bike by yourself, and you fix the car by yourself, and you do your own paint job by yourself, you fix your dents by yourself. How many of you people think that there should be an app like this? If you think that there should be an app like this, then do let me know in the comment section below, because very soon I am going to launch an app like that which will help you guys to fix your own cars and bikes and to do your own paint jobs by yourself, just in one app. So if you are excited about it, do let me know in the comment section below. So moving on to the last one, and the last one is, can I use old towels or rags to clean a car? Guys, this mistake also many people do. They use clothes or rags which are thrown away and then they reuse them to wash the car. Guys, when you are washing a car, the car is wet, and when you use this type of rags, you can't make out that they are scratching your car. But when your car dries up, you will suddenly notice that your car has many scratches on it. And where do these scratches came from? They came from the old dirty rags and the clothes that you used. So always use a microfiber cloth guys to clean and wash your car. You can even use clean cotton clothes which you can wear so clean, and which doesn't have any design or any stickers on them. Plain white cotton clothes which are washed and now you can wear them. Those type of clothes you can use to clean or wash your car. But what I recommend is always use a microfiber cloth to clean your car and to keep your car clean guys, which will make the paint on your car last a long time. So guys, if you are interested in learning auto body and painting, then you guys already know that I have created a step-by-step course on it. Many people have started to join the course guys, and our community is growing fast. People are restoring their bikes, they are doing their own paint jobs, and things are getting excited guys. So if you are one of them and if you want to restore your own bike, car or just about anything else and get professional like results, and that too from your home garage, then I have put a link of my course in the description below guys. Don't waste any further more time. Go there and get yourself enrolled, because the prices can hike anytime. At the moment I have kept the price very nominal and everybody can afford it. So if you want to level up your auto body and painting game, then go ahead and get yourself enrolled, and I will see you guys on the inside. And if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysonsspraybooth signing out, until we meet again.